Get out of there. What are you doing?
Wait.
You see me swinging a hammer right at the camera. And you're okay.
Oh, you were swinging that at the camera? You need to watch out.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Some of you guys are going to be pleased to find out that we are back on the Datsun build. This is a 1970 Datsun little pickup. We are going to graft this body onto the hard body pickup, a 1995 hard body pickup. For those of you that are just now new to the channel, or maybe you haven't been following along with the build, that is the plan. So now we've got the old truck in here. Let's get the body and everything off of this and get it ready to weld up onto that other truck. Broke that one off. A lot of broken bolts. God, how am I going to get that out of there? You worked out of that. This thing is bad.
Where's the number?
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah, yep. Oh,
Yeah, we got
oh, it's a whole nest. Oh my God.
Man, we had ourselves a little bee scare there. Good Lord. We got them all out though. I do believe there are no more bees in there. This is what happens when you leave your vehicle sitting in a field for 10 years. Animals just take it over. I mean, this thing is full of all kinds of stuff. It's pretty gross, but we're going to get it all cleaned out of here. It's going to look real good when we're done. We're going to cut into this thing so deep that, believe me, there will be no surface unturned. So it'll all be nice and clean when we get done with it.
So we take apart.
It's not too bad so far.
Once you find all the bolts.
Got these old drum brakes on here. It'll be a nice upgrade when we put this on the hard body because it's got the disc brakes.
Got that twin turbo in it.
All right, everybody, I think we're gonna call that a night. Got plenty of work done. I mean, this thing's completely off the frame now. We're gonna toss that old frame in the trash. I mean, unless somebody wants it, but I seriously doubt it. But you never know, people restore these things, they may want an original frame. But hey, we got everything we need. Next video, we will be trimming all of this stuff up, getting it ready to go over on that hard body chassis. So stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe, you guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Check out my Instagram, don't forget that. And I think I'm out of here, man. See y'all next time.